Good morning, smart people. How's it going? Hope you guys are having a great day today. Thank you guys for joining me today. This is the stock market pre-market watch list, and every day I just break down the penny stocks that I'm watching for today. Try to figure out some, good levels of potential breakouts or potential areas that I see that are good to play, and just a easy watch list for I pick out stocks that are moving for the morning. Um, Someone that also helps me out pick them out and stuff, and helping me learn how to trade stocks the best way. And I just pretty much just showing what I peek out and stuff, and hopefully I grow as I go. All right, you guys, showing you my screen what I'm looking at for the morning. I got cool, KOOL. I'm gonna mark out the high right here. This is under $1 here. It's trading at around 50 cents right now. Let's see if that's some good news. Announces the launch of PXP system for automatic processing of bone marrow cells. Okay, that sounds good. Sounds good. And then wipe away a huge amount of debt or nothing. So it's not like they're getting money now, but they might get a small play. 60 cents would probably definitely be good resistance. It might just barely break over that. Let's check out. Probably can't see nothing on the yearly chart. It's got a little bit of volume. The last time it had a green day. If you go back here, zoom, zoom, zoom. See right there. Had 6 million shares, almost 7 million. The low of the day was 49 cents. The high was 58 cents. So only not even a 10-cent gap. So I'm going to be very cautious of cool here. Doesn't really get too much of jumps. Doesn't get too big of jumps most of the time. We got one big one here. That's probably really good news there. But so I'm gonna probably stay away from it. GENE next on the list. Okay, this has this nice push here. Check out this news. Shares up market after company announced breast and colorectal cancer tests to launch in October. Okay, just a little bit of news. Does it seem like prostate cancer, type 2 diabetes over the next 12 months? Just a little bit of news, a little bit of hype. Got a nice push though. It's only 60,000 shares, nothing too crazy. Maybe just look for a breakout here for the high day. Maybe when it crossed the VWAP too. It's another potential resistance area right there. Keeps tapping right here. Just marking out all the potential areas. See, so right now, let's see. Okay, it's got a good spike. Biggest spike it had in a while. So I don't know if we can expect too much from it. That's a potential area of first area of support if it starts selling off. Maybe a potential area for reversal. Right there, $1.33. It's trading at 147 right now. Might act that support at $1.33. We'll watch it. Definitely gonna want to wait on volume. Want to see it continue going like on an upward pattern, and gonna be watching for that. RGSE next on the list. Let's look back a couple days. See if you can check any patterns you guys going on. Potential area of resistance right here. 54 cents. Any news? Received 9.8 million in cash from convertible note offering. Good. And this is solar company too, so. But it's been on big overall downturn. Interesting. All right. So I'm gonna be cautious of RGSE. Definitely gonna want to wait on volume. See if I can get any potential breakout areas here at 40 cents. If I see it start rising up, I could definitely expect it to at least reach 44 cents. So I'm gonna set alert at or above 41 cents, 40 cents. I'll say 40 cents and a half. Right there. 404. Currently at 39 cents, so it doesn't have much to go to start alerting me. But definitely gonna be patient with it and see how it unfolds. CODA. Coda's next on the list. Has a big gap up, $3. Went from almost $4 a share, all the way almost up to $9.50 a share. Potential resistance breakout area right there at 9:09. Check out the 5 minutes. 5-day 5 minutes. No past history. Let's see what's going on. No, not much going on. Let's check the news. Okay, stock more than doubles after the Navy R&D Pact announces Navy Cooperative Research and Development Agreement with Navy Surface Warfare Center. Real-time 3D imaging head-up display driver solution. Financial terms not disclosed, but some people are liking this. Maybe because it has to do with, warfare, gearing up for war. Seem like the defense stocks have been getting a little bit of attention here recently. I mean, the market is kind of high. But the market being high is definitely a biased opinion. Could definitely see the market getting another upward here after we get past some financial crisis going on. Some bad moves recently. In the past, from way back in 2008. Still trying to fix that problem. But right now we're in the present, and CODA, CODA, is looking good. It's getting some good attention. Check out potential areas and see it hasn't even calculated the jump yet. So it has broke all of this potential areas of resistance here. Just broke way past this for the whole year. Okay. It doesn't even seem that much volume. 41,000. I have to check the float on the stock. See if this is a low float play. That would be great. I'm definitely going to set an alert. What's it at? 784 right now. I'm going to set an alert for the top of this candle right here. 826. Very nice, very nice. 1 day, 1 minute, real quick. Yep, see right there. I think 821 might be a better indication there. Right there. Replace. Bada bing, bada boom. Lockout. Okay, I got that support on. Bum. I'm gonna have to watch it. Definitely want to watch it for a lot of volume. See if it starts pushing up dramatically. Hopefully, catch a halt. Get caught up in a halt and be able to get out at a much higher price. Let's check out MDGS. Okay, it has a spike too, big spike. Check the news. Okay, it's a reverse stock split, so it's not really a spike because of good news. What happened is the stock pretty much is a mathematical game where the company is not doing as expected, and their stock price is just super low. They can do agreement to do a reverse stock split, and pretty much if you own 10 shares of the stock, you now own 40 shares of the stock at a different price, I believe. Yes, yep. Or vice versa. If you have 10 shares, they'll break it down to where you have 5 shares, but it'll even out to a price where you paid for the same amount what you got for it. Sometimes you even get a little bit more or a little bit less. Just how it goes. So I'm liking this potential resistance right here. Got 3 taps on it right there. At about 680. Say 675. That would be good. Let's check out the 1 day, 1 minute. Gonna be real cautious of this because it's just a reverse stock split, and we have to get a good amount of volume for people to get interested in it just to play it because it has no other news. So we'll have to wait and see what it do. Let's see, I'm trying to see the last day it had news on 7-Eleven. Had a little push here, 4 million shares in 1 hour. And right there, seems like they kept tapping this resistance at 225, but now we are way past that. So we're gonna have to wait and see how it unfolds. Create alert for below here. Be a reversal play. All right, let's check out the overall market real quick. Let's buy. Oh, you even need to look at SPY like that. Just want to get an indication of what the markets might do for today. See what's going on. Okay, staying above. Looking nice. Still hasn't touched the resistance though. Let me see, maybe it has. No. Let me see. Okay, a little bit too far back. 10 days. Nope. Still haven't touched the 280, 50 cents resistance yet. So we can get a pretty strong rejection at that level. Seeing as it's taking its time to get there. Who knows? And these crazy spikes here, look at those. Hmm. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for the market. Check out some of these news I was looking at, and do some more DD before the market opens up. Get a better understanding, a little bit more feeling for the stock, what it's trying to tell me, pre-market wise, and try to think about what would elite trader would do. You know, he doesn't think like us. He doesn't buy high, you know, and then freaking sell low when he bought in too high. So gotta think opposite. Alright, you guys, subscribe to the channel, please, if you like the watch list or want a good watch list that already picks out stocks that are moving off of news or moving off of volume, and click the like button, if you just watched the video. And I will catch you guys tomorrow.